Hello. It's January 3rd, 4th, 5th, I don't know. Just a quick 2018, by the way. We're in the midst of a blizzard today. And as you can see, this isn't a blurry screen. The visibility is next to nothing. So they're saying upwards to 6 to 12 inches of snow, which is quite a bit. It looks like there's, as you can see down here, there's quite a bit on the ground. I'm trying to get a little bit of a head start on the snow by getting some of this stuff off of my car and plowing the driveway. I mean, shoveling the driveway and the sidewalk, at least not waiting till the end anyway, you know what I'm saying? Let me give you a quick look up the block. How about that, huh? Nothing but white. Pure white out. They call it white out conditions as in a blizzard, which means next to zero visibility. As far as how you can see, I guess forward up to a mile or something like that. And you can see here. You don't see anything but white. The whole place is white. There's my car. Got some of the snow off. There's the house. Oh my, oh my. Let's see, it's been like 10 degrees freezing for about 2 weeks. The worst thing that could possibly happen is to get a snowstorm like this, and we are in the midst of getting one. It looks like it should snow like this for the rest of today. And that's it. Hope most of you are inside or watching this in a very, very warm climate in the sand on the beach. I am not. I feel like a snowman in the Antarctic somewhere, okay? Anyway, hope everything is well, and everybody, I'll talk to you soon, and thanks for tuning in. Ciao.